Okay, guys, so far they were wrong. They were wrong about the price of Ethereum with the Shanghai upgrade. This is very, very interesting, guys. We're going to dive into this in this video because before this upgrade went live, which partly was to allow people who stake their ETH very early on to unstake and, well, they could sell if they wanted to. This kind of sparked an idea, or at least I think a lot of people jumped to the conclusion that we'd see a sell-off in the short term for Ethereum. The exact opposite has happened thus far, which is very fascinating. We've got Ethereum up over $2,000 right now. Will it last? We're going to try to unpack that a little bit and dive in. Appreciate you guys so much for coming back to the channel, by the way. If it's your first time, make sure you guys drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. Would mean the world to me. I'm here every single day grinding for you here in this cryptocurrency market, just trying to give you another voice, give you more information to make you a better and seasoned investor. So let's dive in here because Ethereum all of a sudden outpacing Bitcoin today, catching up a little bit. Volume is up big time here in the last 24 hours. Over $13 billion of volume coming in. That is up 28% in the last 24 hours. And you can see Ethereum has got above that psychological barrier of 2,000. Now, currently sitting at 1,999, but there's the high. $2,007 right above me there on screen. Now, again, this is interesting because the Ethereum price is increasing post the Shanghai upgrade, despite withdrawal rumors, despite what people had said that, people were going to be taking profits because they actually had access to their ETH now. So the rumor was that Ethereum, the Shanghai upgrade, would make users withdraw, at least in the short term, staked ETH and dump it into the market. However, the ongoing scenario is totally against the rumor. Data shows that despite removing the withdrawal limitation, more Ethereum is being deposited than withdrawn. ETH deposits are already outpacing withdrawals. This is crazy. Coming from Tom Dunleavy here just earlier this morning. Investors have withdrawn over 141,000 Ether, with withdrawals on Lido accounting for 56% of that total. Ethereum investors had to wait 6 months after the merge before the Shanghai upgrade, which allowed them to withdraw their staked ETH tokens. Now, barely 16 hours after the Shanghai upgrade was finalized, investors have withdrawn over 141,000 ETH. Blockchain surveillance resource Look On Chain went to Twitter saying, after the upgrade, there it is, $111,000 in ETH has been withdrawn. 111,000 ETH, which is equivalent to 216 million, has been withdrawn. But that is much less than the number we had thought, closer to 400 million, at least right now. So Look On Chain called attention to a wallet identified to be the largest single withdrawal address. The address withdrew 4,443 ETH, worth 8.37 million. On-chain data suggests that this whale address staked a whopping 6,176 ETH last September when the asset was trading at $1,640. A little bit less than where we are right now. So ETH continues to register gains despite earlier concerns that a surge in withdrawals and sell-offs could impact the asset's price. On-chain data nerd, ETH rallied by 5% to an approximate value of 2K shortly after Shanghai occurred. In the case that ETH hits 2,100 in the next few days, will those continue to hold, or will we see a bigger sell-off? That's what we're going to have to wait and see. Maybe people are waiting, I don't know, for another 2,500 level or 2,200 level, 2,300 level. We'll just have to wait and see. Citing data from Into the Block, though, he highlighted a concentration of buyers between the prices of 2,096 and 2,153. So this is an important level to be watching because we have quite a bit of buyers here in this zone that have an average cost of ETH right around here. Notably, these investors are still registering losses on their holdings. The question plaguing the market now is if these investors will sell off their assets at a break-even price when ETH hits 2.1K, or will they retain their holdings? My guess is most people would retain their holdings. I mean, if you stake that much ETH in the first place, I think you're pretty bullish on the long-term outlook of ETH, right? We'll just have to wait and see, though. But so far, they were wrong. We are not seeing a massive sell-off. In fact, the exact opposite is happening. Ethereum is rising right now, crossing over that $2,000 level. We're going to have to wait and see if this trend continues, guys. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button down there. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for stopping back. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.